tahanang luma na na-retain ng national government through the leadership of IA, Intramuros Administration under the Office of the President. Diyan pa lang yun. O pag gumilid kayo at lumilim na ang gabi, puntahan nyo yung pinagawa ni Presidenteng Esplanade. Maraming chicha doon. Mura. Pero maaliwalas na lugar. Lakarin nyo lang ng kaunti yun, siguro 500 meters. Ang dulo nun, Arroceros Park. By Arroceros Park, paglabas nun, may chicha na naman. Kasi naka 500 meters kayo, pagod na kayo, kakain kayo ulit. Now, if you want our famous and the oldest Chinatown in the world, the biggest Chinatown in the world, is Binondo. In fact, mamaya-maya kaunti, pwede na kayong tumira ng hopya doon. Kung namimiss nyo na yung mga famous hopya, which it started in Manila. Gusto nyo ng Poland, and Bitin, and so on and so forth. At ngayon naman, kung gusto nyo, huwag naman sana, huwag kayo masyadong kakain ng litid, baka lumiwanag ang bahay ninyo. Then after that, you can go to Malate. Mga lalaki. Sesya na kayo. Wala na eh. Yung kalapati, nakawala eh. But, we have so many varieties. We want Japanese. We have Korean town. 1-2 Sawang Samgyupsal. In Koreatown, Remedios Circle. And our famous Cafe Adriatico. Sa mga Bicolano, yung Adriatico Arms, nandoon pa. Yung kasi bed space or board and lodging ng mga Bicolano nating kababayan. Dahil si dating congressman ang may-ari nun ay taga Bicol. I always open the place. Now, after that area, kung gusto nyo naman po na ma-experience sa Tondo ng gabi, huwag po kayong mag-alala. Blade lang naman ng namin, hindi naman kayo masyadong masusugatan. But kidding aside, you can go to Ugbo. Gusto nyo ng tumbong, lechong kawali, and all other things. Good, clean, street food, regulated, recognized by your city government. At ang pinakabago sa lahat, kung shoutout sa mga batang Sampaloc at may kamag-anak sa Sampaloc, punta po kayo ng Kampa. Yun ang Ugbo 2.0. Yung Ugbo 2.1, Ugbo 1, sa Velasquez, Tondo. Hanggang madaling araw, may chicha doon. Pagdating nyo sa Kampa, alas 5:30, sarado ang kalsada, hanggang alas 11 ng gabi, palakad-lakad kayo doon. Siguro yung mga 2 bulid ninyo, bondat na kayo sa Kampa. That's how cheap it is. But sa ating mga kapatid na Muslim, nako, pasyalan po ninyo yung future na gagawin ni Pangulong Marcos, ng DOT, ng DBM. Yung kung kami may Chinatown, and we created Koreatown, your city government, through the leadership of the national government, we will have Halal Town. You can go to Quiapo because of good dishes for our Muslim brothers and sisters. Kaya po, pasensya na kayo talagang ino-hold up po kayo ngayong umaga. Talagang because we are fiscally challenged. And we wanted business in the city, in our own little way, to provide jobs. Because I think, this is just my personal belief, paniwala ko lang itong personal, the best way for me, and I may be wrong, the best way to solve criminality, particularly petty crimes activities, is to provide opportunity for my people, And for us to achieve that, we have to do ease of doing business in the city so that the businesses will come back to Manila the way you came back today. And I'm happy and proud to say and share to you, in just 4 months, we received 6,000 plus new businesses and 13,000 plus new jobs for the people of Manila. Kaya, alam ko naman, yung iba'y malalayo sa inyo, pero alam ko rin, sa puso ninyo, malapit sa inyo ang Maynila at may karanasan at kasaysayan din kayo o eksperyensya sa Maynila. Bilang panghuli, kung dala nyo ang jowa ninyo, pwede na po kayong magpagulong-gulong sa damuhan sa Luneta. Katulad ng mga tatay at nanay natin noong dekada 70. Malinis na ang Luneta through NPDC Office of the President. Kaya po muli ay on behalf of the people of Manila, to all of you here, we are honored and grateful. And I hope next year, dito kayo ulit. Punta kayo ulit sa Maynila. Katulad ng isang awit, we keep coming back to Manila. All of you here, welcome po kayo sa Maynila. Magandang araw. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng kong may kapal. Manila, God first. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mayor Isko Moreno Domagoso, Yorme, for that heartfelt message and graciously welcoming us here to the city of Manila. Grabe, ha? I was just here sa Gedli, hearing all about Ugbo 1.0, 2.0. Grabe, Tom Goods ako.
Oh, I cannot survive, but I want to see Ugbo 2.0. And I was dying inside when I was watching Yorme. Especially when I checked his age, he looks so handsome. Mayor Isko, thank you so much for your message. Indeed, there's no better way to